Hello, Class 8 Springfielders. In the previous class, we have done 11A, the nationalistic movement, early phase 1885 to 1919, the first topic, early association. Today, we start with the Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress. Retired British Indian Civil Service ICS officer Alan Watervane Hume founded the Indian National Congress in 1885 at Bombay, the present name Mumbai. A common platform was formed to remove the grievance of Indians to the British government and to seek independence for all Indians, regardless of class or religious background. The first session of the Indian National Congress INC was held at Bombay, the present name Mumbai, in December 1885. The session was presided over by W.C. Banerjee, full form Umesh Chandra Banerjee, and attended by 72 delegates from different parts of India. The early leaders, Dadabhai Nauroji, Feroz Shah Mehta, Badruddin Taibaji, W.C. Banerjee, that is Umesh Chandra Banerjee, Surendranath Banerjee, Ramesh Chandra Dutt, G. Subramaniam Iyer, among others, were largely from Bombay, the present name Mumbai, and Madras, the present name Chennai, and the Kolkata, Calcutta, the present name Kolkata. Now let us see the objectives of Indian National Congress. Still now we have seen how it has been formed, where the first session, that is the meeting, was held, how many delegates have come, and who are the important leaders who have attended the meeting, and who is the president of Indian National Congress of the first session, that is W.C. Banerjee, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Now we come to the objectives of Indian National Congress. The objectives of the Indian National Congress were to 1. Bring the leaders of India from all parts of the country to a common platform to build a nationalistic consciousness among the diverse people of India and unite them. Second point, discuss and decide the program of action which the Indian leaders should take up to achieve their demands. Create a common political platform or program around which political workers in different parts of the country could gather and conduct their political activities, educating and mobilizing people on an all India basis. Promote democratic ideas and functioning in India. Recapitulation. Here also you have to learn the answers. There are 1-mark questions which you have to learn the answers. First question, who was the founder of Indian National Congress? Who was the founder of Indian National Congress? Second question, when and where is INC, that is Indian National Congress, who was the founder of Indian National Congress? When and where was INC, that is Indian National Congress, formed? Who presided it? Third question, what were the objectives of INC, that is Indian National Congress? Meet you in the next class with a new topic of the same lesson. Until then, thank you. Have a nice day. I am Mrs. Suhail Sultana, Social Studies teacher.